everyone, welcome back to the show. We are continuing with our friends here at Wichita Homeworks. Of course, Nate, the president. Nate, thanks for having us today.
You bet. Thanks for coming by.
Yeah, we're here in Northeast Wichita right now in this beautiful, fully remodeled master bathroom. Tell us about this.
Yeah, so this one was really nice. We got to do pretty much a full remodel. We even moved some of the walls here, tore out a lot of the sheetrock, just to reconfigure things. New flooring, new custom tile shower, and then we've got the double vanity here behind us with the new countertops, backsplash, light fixtures. This one really turned out cool. We got some nice natural light in here. So really a showpiece for us again.
Yeah, and this natural lighting, that was something I was going to mention, but even just moving out walls and ceilings, I mean, you guys can do everything. Yeah,
we really enjoyed the challenge. This one turned out great. We really kind of focused on that natural light, gave it a real spa-like feeling. We've got that fancy shower valve in the tile shower. Really something that, can be a comfortable space for the homeowners right off of their master bedroom. Turned out to be a nice space. So.
Yeah, so talking more about this shower valve, all of the options and things like that, that's pretty awesome, but you guys can help people pick out just what they want.
Yeah. That one I think will do just about anything but wash the dog in there. So. But yeah, there's all kinds of cool stuff out there these days. We love showing all of those different options to people and giving them that option for stuff that they might not have even seen. So
yeah, well, you mentioned you love a challenge at Wichita Homeworks. So you guys, when people come in with no idea of a design or they have a complete idea, you're going to work with them.
Yeah, so the first thing that we do with all of our clients is we start them in the design phase. We get them with our drafter as well as our designer. They'll help lay out the space to best fit, the constraints of the client. And then we'll also help them select all of the materials, the fixtures, the light fixtures, all of that sort of thing. We put it all together for them so they can see it, they can touch and feel some of those the finishes before it's actually on the wall. It's a lot easier to change things in that stage rather than doing it in the middle of the process. So we really like people to see what they're getting before they actually have to buy it. So that way, when it's all done, it's not, it's not a surprise how it turned out to them.
Well, that's fantastic. I'm thinking about getting a shower valve like that, so I'm going to hop in the shower and try it out. You think they'd be okay with that?
I don't know about that.
Well, Nate, how can people find more information about you guys?
Yep, they can visit us on the web at wichitahomeworks.com or give us a call at 316-303-4485. All
right, well, this is absolutely beautiful. Thank you for having us today. Make sure you check out Wichita Homeworks here in Wichita and the surrounding areas. One more in Good Day, Kansas coming up next.